thunderstorm warning for the city of Petersburg, Prince George County, Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, eastern Dinwiddie County, northwestern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Petersburg to near Carson to near 30, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Petersburg, Stony Creek, and Carson around 5 p.m. Fort Gregg Adams around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Prince George around 5:10 p.m. Disputanta around 5:15 p.m. Sussex around 5:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Taylor's Corner, Newville, Burgess, Booker, Reims, Yale, Lumberton, Husk, Petersburg National Battlefield, and Barham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.